In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and emotional struggles have become a part of daily life. More and more people are looking beyond conventional medicine, seeking alternative ways to heal and restore balance. This is where mysticism and energy healing come in. Today, we're diving into some of the most powerful and ancient healing practices: crystal therapy, Reiki, full moon rituals, and modern witchcraft. We'll explore how these methods help cleanse negative energy, enhance mental clarity, and bring emotional balance. Witchcraft and psychological healing, releasing stress and cleansing energy. When people hear the word witchcraft, they often think of ancient rituals, spell books, and magic chants. But modern witchcraft is less about fantasy and more about practical energy work and psychological healing. Through specific rituals and symbols, people can release emotional tension, remove negativity, and regain confidence. For example, lighting candles, meditating, and reciting affirmations can create a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. Symbols and talismans also play a big role. Wearing or carrying protective charms can serve as a psychological reminder of inner strength and safety, similar to how positive affirmations influence the subconscious mind. Crystal therapy, harnessing the power of energy frequencies. Crystals are not just decorative stones, they are believed to carry unique vibrational energies that can help realign and balance our own energy fields. Each type of crystal serves a different purpose. Amethyst helps with relaxation, stress relief, and meditation. Citrine boosts confidence, motivation, and positive thinking. Obsidian absorbs negative energy and protects against emotional disturbances. Many people place crystals under their pillows while sleeping, wear them as jewelry, or simply keep them in their workspace to create a positive energy flow. The effects may not be immediate, but over time, crystal therapy can subtly shift one's emotional state and well-being. Full moon rituals, tapping into cosmic energy for cleansing and renewal. Many believe that during a full moon, our emotions become heightened, making it the perfect time to release negative energy and set new intentions. Some common full moon rituals include writing down negative emotions or bad habits and symbolically burning the paper as a form of energetic release. Cleansing crystals under moonlight to recharge their energy for future healing work. Meditating under the full moon to absorb its powerful, calming energy. These rituals aren't just mystical traditions, they serve as powerful psychological resets, helping individuals gain clarity and emotional balance. Reiki and Qi Gong, energy healing backed by modern science. Beyond traditional mysticism, modern energy healing techniques like Reiki and Qi Gong have gained recognition for their ability to reduce stress, promote relaxation, and support emotional well-being. Reiki healing originated in Japan and involves channeling energy through the hands to restore balance in the body. Studies show that Reiki can reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and enhance the body's natural healing abilities. Qi Gong, a Chinese practice, combines breathing techniques, meditation, and movement to regulate the body's energy flow. Many practitioners report reduced chronic pain, improved immunity, and a greater sense of inner peace. Both of these practices share the belief that our bodies are not just physical but also energetic, and when this energy flows smoothly, we experience better mental, emotional, and physical health. Real-life success stories. The power of energy healing. Does energy healing actually work? Let's look at a few real-life examples. A woman who struggled with anxiety and insomnia for years found relief through weekly Reiki sessions, significantly reducing her stress levels and improving her sleep. Another individual suffering from chronic back pain discovered that combining Qigong exercises with crystal therapy helped ease discomfort while also improving emotional balance. While results vary from person to person, many people report feeling lighter, calmer, and more in tune with themselves after energy healing sessions. Conclusion: why energy healing matters in today's world. Ancient energy healing techniques are not just myths, they are practical tools that can help us manage stress, improve emotional well-being, and restore balance in our lives. Whether it's through crystal therapy, full moon rituals, Reiki, or Qi Gong, these methods remind us that our inner energy plays a crucial role in how we feel, think, and live. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, emotionally drained, or simply looking for a way to reconnect with yourself, exploring energy healing might just be the key to unlocking a healthier, more balanced life.